Find me, for I am lost.
Save me, for I am trapped.
Help me, for I am alone.
Exiled.
Alienated.
Defeated.
By you.
By you.
You are the only ones that can make our lives meaningful again.
A divide has been created between us, but we still need you.
And while you may not realize it yet, you need us.
Segregated by envy and fear, the world of yesterday is no more.
Today you call us evolved.
But tomorrow, you will become just like us, no better, no worse.
We come to you now with the hope of gaining your support to help rid the world of the treatment.
We do not want to fight. We want to coexist.
We simply want to return home.
We are not your enemy. You do not need enforcers to hunt us down. We simply desire your assistance.
So please, help us reach our goal.
And spread our message.
For
together we stand,
divided
divided we fall.